Yeah, and I hit a button on that last video. I'm just going to keep it going with the second video here. Let's find my 1.5" sanitary tee right here. So I'm going to have a piece going out through the bottom that goes down through the floor. A piece coming out the side right here, which will be what my vanity eventually drains into. And this piece going right up into the pipe. So I'm going to clean these with primer. It's a pretty dirty fitting. It's brand new, but it's been sitting in a bin for a long time. Go around the pipe real good. Make sure we get this pipe nice and clean. I already did the fitting, so I'm going to glue the pipe, glue the fitting. I'm going to pop this on right here, nice and tight, and I just got glue all over my hand. My lines are going a little sideways. That's just the way it's going to be now. So I'm going to hold this fitting on here for a 10 count until I'm confident that the stuff is dry. All this drywall is going to be getting painted and mudded and everything, so I can wipe stuff on. Once you get it in your pants, I'll still wipe it in my pants because these are my work pants and I've already got all kinds of glue and caulk all over them. So now what I need to do is get a measurement from where I want my pipe to drop down through the floor. We're completely redoing the walls, the floors, and the routing of the pipes down below on the first floor. So I'm just going to have it pop out about a 1/2 inch below the floor here. So that means a 16-inch piece is going to be great for me. So again, I'm going to put the camera down over here, get my Milwaukee hacksaw out, measure a 16-inch piece. This is the end that I cut. That wasn't that straight, so I'm going to cut it again. Give me a clean piece of PVC. And I'm on camera again, which I hate. I don't like being on camera myself. So let's pull this tape across here. If I can get it. I measure 16 inches with my finger again. Hope not to chop it off. When you're cutting with a PVC with a Sawzall, first you want to make sure you're being safe. Keep your hand away from the blade because it does hurt like heck and it does tear it up pretty badly. My zoom got all out of whack again. There we go. Now we're back in. Same thing, this piece here, I'm going to keep my letters run the exact same way. That way everything looks nice and uniform. So here, let's go ahead and clean this pipe again. Well, it's a new piece of pipe that we're cleaning for the first time. And down here on the bottom of this tee, I want to do it extra good because some of this glue had leaked out. I'm just going to go ahead and do this one too. It's not too crucial that we keep that wet primed while we're doing it. But here I'm going to apply the glue to the pipe, apply the glue to the fitting over here. Take this pipe. I already got glue on my fingers, which I don't like, but comes with the territory. Wiggle it up in there, hold it, and I'm going to turn that line to be more in line with this pipe. That way it looks like it's just, it'll be deceiving, but it'll still kind of look like it's going the same direction. Alright, so here we are so far. So it gives me enough room down below. I can put any fitting I need to downstairs, depending on what direction I decide to end up running. And here, we're going to be putting on drywall. We're going to be installing a vanity. So I'm just going to want to come out of this guy about 6 inches or so. I'm going to call it 5 actually. I'll cut a 5-inch piece there. And then lay it down, and I'm going to go get a glue cap. I'm not going to glue the cap on because this is only temporary. Nobody's living in the house. But just to minimize sewer gas. So we still don't want sewer gas coming in. But But at the same point, it would be wasteful for me to glue that on and then just cut it off in a week or two. I could just pull it off and reuse it on another job. It's just to keep the sewer gas from coming in to a vacant house. Not a huge big deal. I'm priming that again. I'm going to glue this piece here, glue the inside of this T. And as far as this job, we're about done. It only took 30 minutes or so to run all these couplings and all this pipe. So once I get the cap on there, which I'm not going to video that, you just take the cap with your hand. It'll be a little 1.5 inch piece of plastic, and I'm just going to take it, boom, push it right on there. And that's going to be a wrap for the day. So thanks for watching.